These are the HVAC indoor air handlers. Furnace, evaporator coils, blower motor fan, air filters. Okay, this is the upstairs indoor air handler. The furnace flue is not properly supported, and the gas line is in the way. You want people stepping on your gas line? I don't want people stepping on my gas line. In fact, this should be even protected. You don't want this to be stepped on, broken, and then leaking water onto your ceiling. Same down here and same down here. This is your downstairs indoor air handler. Okay? Now this one and the one over the parent bedroom, which we haven't seen yet, they're 16 by 25. And this one's by 1 or 4. These are 1 inches. And they're all dirty. This one is 20 by 25 by 1 or 4. And it's got the same thing. It's got the gas piping in front of it. It's got the water piping in front of it. Now this one's different than this one. Alright, downstairs is different than the upstairs. Not just in the different size filter, but the furnace flue is actually supported. Now, our air conditioning duct is not supposed to have more than ½ inch sag in it. Not supposed to have more than ½ inch sag. I saw some in the attic video earlier over the garage as well. So we're going to come down here. Just looking. I'm a looker. Wonder why that water heater's not working. Oh well, the builder will find out. How's that look? Is it okay? Well, checking. Alright. Alright. It's kind of dark. Bear with me a little bit. This is the way you go down a ladder. Up one for that matter. Oh, my friend left. I'm going to put it up for him. Oh well. We want to get some good thermal readings here in a little bit. So I'm kind of working as I go. You get to see my method. When I was talking to you on the phone, and I said I was going to take you with me via videos, this is what I meant. Coming along here. This is the third time I talked about the weather stripping on this door. Okay. 16 by 25 by 1 or 4. And this is the way all of them work. Like suitcase buckles, and you open it up, and there's your air filter right in there. And you want to change your air filters on move-in, because the little 1 inches should be changed once a month. I think the 4 inches can go further, whatever the manufacturer specifies. But you know, you need a baseline, you need a base timeline so that you'll know when to change them, so it takes routine maintenance. This one is different than this is the parent bedroom indoor air handler. And it doesn't have a care and use manual, none of them do. This one is different than the other two in that the gas piping and the drain piping is out of the way. So that's a good thing. The gas piping and the drain piping is out of the way. And the air duct is a little different than upstairs and over the garage, is that we got some kinked duct. And so that's about it for the indoor air handlers. The installations are relatively straightforward. There's not a lot of sins going on here. The same guy or same crew installed all of them, so there's some consistency at this point. No care and use manuals. Okay, some consistency, dirty air filters. Some consistency, the piping is in the way upstairs. And anyway, yeah, that's some of the joys. Now let's see how this thing operates. We want to know